Okay, so I'm sure you already know, LinkedIn was built around career development, allowing users to connect with colleagues and potential employers or employees. Here are some best practices I've found on LinkedIn. Make sure each section of your profile is complete. Get your profile strength to be quote-unquote all-star. LinkedIn will show you exactly how to do so until your profile is looking great. Also, make sure your profile is public and that your contact information is correct. This seems like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised what kinds of profiles are out there. Optimize your profile using keywords. Bust out those SEO keywords and hashtags and use them throughout your descriptions. Upgrading your account to be premium is definitely worth trying, but just a heads up, it's pretty expensive, especially if you're not very active on the platform. And LinkedIn Sales Navigator is another awesome tool. It helps you target the right buyers, understand key insights, engage with personalized outreach, and do advanced lead and company searches. Ask for endorsements for your keyword-related skills, and also ask for recommendations. These will help you build authority and will provide social proof to help prospects become more trusting. Make a company page and build that out as extensively as you've built your personal page. Always be looking for updated features to try and ways to improve the look and the feel of your profile. Use the Content tab on your business page to search for content suggestions in your industry. Engage with articles that interest you and are related to your brand, and share posts that will be valuable to your audience. Also, check out LinkedIn Pulse. With this tool, you'll be the first to know about the latest industry news, which will allow you to post trending articles first, therefore getting more social shares. If you go to Admin Tools on your business page and click Create a Showcase page, you can create an extension of your LinkedIn business page, which is designed to spotlight individual brands, business units, and initiatives. It'll allow you to build targeted connections and networks around a product and reach out separately. Once you create these, they'll be listed under Affiliated Page on your main LinkedIn page. I personally haven't experimented with creating a showcase page, but either way, I wanted to mention it because it could help someone. If you have a premium membership, use the Check Out Who's Viewed Your Profile feature and reach out to them directly. If someone has checked out your page that could be a valuable connection, this may be the perfect segue. Get other people curious about who you are and what you do by visiting their pages. This will increase your page views and will allow you to potentially build extremely valuable connections if you engage accordingly. Just like you, people are interested in who checked out their profile, so they're more likely to click on your account and engage with your content. Create consistent, quality content. Make sure your content is engaging, enticing, and makes your reader want to learn more. Adding something visually appealing, a photo or video, helps make your posts more engaging. Also, including a call to action will lead people toward taking the actions you desire. Check out your demographics to see who's engaging and create content that will appeal to them. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments and initiate conversations. LinkedIn's algorithm prefers longer comments than shorter ones. Make sure your content is tailored to LinkedIn as opposed to other platforms like Facebook. LinkedIn is a more professional demographic, and Facebook has an older, more casual demographic. Certain types of content will resonate differently with your audiences on these platforms. Be sure to consider this when it comes to your LinkedIn hashtag strategy. On Facebook, for example, you might want to just use #culture, whereas on LinkedIn, you could use a more targeted hashtag like #companyculture. Take advantage of creating video snippets and using captions to grab users' attention. Most people won't put the time into creating high-quality consumable content like this, so when you do, you'll stand out from the crowd. Also, LinkedIn's algorithm will favor your posts more so than others. Be sure to front-load these videos with the best content first. LinkedIn's platform makes it easy to publish your own articles. But, a word of caution, this is not a great place to promote your company or sell your products. The most successful content on LinkedIn is educational in nature. Answer common questions that come up in your industry. Address problems and concerns that your audience might be experiencing. And just remember, the main purpose of your content should be to help your audience. Personalize your DMs and connection requests. Work on building a community and showing your authenticity. Nurture your LinkedIn relationships through regular engagement. Watch for trigger events and use them as an opportunity to connect with a personalized message. When it comes to whether to post on your personal profile or your company page, consider the following. It's a lot harder to get followers and therefore reach more people for your company page than it is for your personal profile. This is because LinkedIn wants companies to spend money on ads. If you're the face of your company, it'll be more beneficial for you to post on your personal page, linking back to your company page, than it will be to post directly on the company page. If you focus on human contact first, business will come naturally after. But this isn't to say that your company page isn't needed. You always want to be building your following and driving your connections to follow your company page. You also need a company page if you want to test ads and promote your quality posts. You'll also need a company page to increase your SEO strategy for Google. LinkedIn company pages are well indexed in and trusted by Google. And if you have employees, it's a great place to link everyone together, building community around your brand. So feel free to add me on LinkedIn. Also, follow TKM Co. I'd love to connect with you.